Same for the deputy president. Before the 75.
Yes.
Before the 75. Yes, that's what I want to say. You have this one. Yes. That is coming from GWS. And then the municipalities one. The area of focus.
Okay, so what happened now? The scope for the current for the project was which is phase 1A and phase 1B. Phase 1A is the one which was funded by me. So what they focused on the first pump station where we received the sewage, which included installation of the screw pumps, which are similar to those that we saw. And they also installed those two screw pumps, that is the mechanical and the electrical component. Then we went to the inlet. Then they installed the mechanical and the electrical component. From there, they came to this pump station. They installed the pumps in this pump station. So that was basically what was covered by the first scope. Then we move on to this, the one which is the second phase, which is funded by DWS, where we identified now all the outstanding scope for the plant to be brought back to operation, which includes now installation of these aerators, mixers, digester pipework, pumps, the chlorine dosing system, and also civil works, which include the securing of these deep tanks by handrest, and the electrical installation. But the electrical installation is within the plant, it is internal, excluding the power supply, which we are having a challenge with.
So DPM, where we did this thing now, this plant, in terms of progress, we are at about 74% completion. It's not yet ready 100%. However, we must say that we made a plan that in case we don't have full power to operate the entire plant, we can be able to operate partially. So if we can have the zero power, we can be able to operate from the beginning to these two clarifiers that we've seen here. Then we bypass this main treatment to the chlorine dosing station and go back to the environment. So instead of having sewer running directly to the environment, we can take that sewer, partially treat it inside here. So we manage it, then it can go out. So if we could have a minimum availability of electricity, and we had power at the beginning of last year until the beginning of the year, but I think there were issues with their supply in the municipality, so they couldn't restore it back to us. The residual power that was here. With that, whilst the project to do the main power comes on board, we can be able to operate the plant partially without waiting for the next 6 months, 8 months, 10 months for the main power to be restored to the plant. So I think with that, unless if there are questions,